Hey guys, a little while ago on Instagram I put up a video of a door install. With that post I asked if anyone had any suggestions or input on how they install doors. There was a couple of comments and I have taken note of some of those and I want to give it a go this time round. Got a door to put in, so I'm just going to give something different a go and see how it works. So the biggest difference from what I usually do is I'm going to put the architrave on first, on one side, and that's going to help me position the door hard against the plywood. So it's likely that this wall won't get painted and it will keep the plywood finish. So I've got pine architraves and pine jams, and doing it this way I should be able to push the door hard against, so it's not going to leave a gap behind the architrave. So I'm already thinking of some advantages. What you could do is, if you've got a whole house load of doors, you can set them up ready to go. You can pre-cut all your architraves longer than the door, just give them a trim off the end. That way you're not having to measure precisely, you're just doing a quick manufacture process, cut them out, have a whole stack sitting there ready, line your doors up, bang them on, and then you're good to go. So in theory, this should just slip in if all goes to plan. So the other way to do it that was suggested was to not bother with packing. Basically, you just put your straight edge on and you just nail into the architrave to straighten it up, but for me, not sure about that one. So that was easy enough though, just packing it, doesn't take long. 3 nails in there holding the door, just check the inside of the door, heights are good, easy. Now that I've put these nails in, they're just to hold it in position, and I'll just go on the other side and move it in and out to line up with the door and make sure the gap's consistent. Well, as far as door installations go, that was easy. Definitely be using that method again. Some things to point out: you want to know for sure that the wall is actually plumb. You can get away with a little bit with modifying the stop, but you don't really want the other side of the door sitting way out from the jamb. But because I built the wall, I made sure that it was plumb. It was exactly what I needed it to be, and also this way, so all the packing was really similar. There's like 1mm difference in the middle packer on the hinge side. What I'll do now is I'll probably put a bit of foam in from the other side, and yeah, finish the architraving and we're done. Oh, and the door handle. It's the door handle. Yeah, it's good.